Plague Doctor video threatens chaos. Can you decode it? A masked figure turns toward the lens, silent, motionless, unsettling. File name, 11B 10 1371. Hidden codes, tortured flashes, no sender, no context. In 2015, a Polish tech blogger opens a plain envelope, inside a DVD with that single file. No return address, only a Warsaw postmark. He presses play. Static erupts. Then the Plague Doctor appears in an abandoned corridor, gloved hand, ticking like a metronome. Forward audio gives nothing but hiss. Reverse it, and a whispered Spanish sentence crawls out. You are already dead. Viewers pause the flicker. Binary bursts on screen. Convert the ones and zeros, and out pops a GPS location, the White House lawn. Frame by frame, Reddit detectives discover a single still of a bound, screaming figure, face wrapped, eyes wide. Steganography tools dig deeper and reveal the phrase, "Kill the president." Federal agents quietly take note. Into digital horror. Smash subscribe. New puzzles every week. Cryptanalysts build a visionaire wheel. A fresh strip of cipher unwinds. 2015-10-31. Chaos is coming. Halloween arrives. Nothing happens. Theory 1. Marketing stunt. Fans of old ARGs point to similar glitch aesthetics used to hype indie games. Theory 2. Serial predator. Cold case photos from Sweden show a near-identical mask beside a victim. Connection unproven. Rumor persists. Theory 3. Art house hacktivism. A glitch artist's digital fingerprint matches the disk's hash, yet he swears he had nothing to do with it. Then a sequel file appears on the dark web, labeled TOR edition. The doctor now cradles a glass vial. New cipher spells the single word, virus. Decoders swap solutions. They try virus as a visionaire key. The output hisses, "We are Legion." Checksum audits show the text was planted later, a red herring meant to fuel panic. 6 years pass. No creator steps forward. No crime is linked. The mask stays online, feeding paranoia. But freeze the newest frames and fresh binary strings glow. Numbers nobody has published. Zoom in, screenshot, start cracking. Screenshot, decode, and drop your theories below. Then subscribe before the next mask arrives.